Welcome back for another Unbox and Swatch video. As always, please be sure to subscribe and like this video to see future Unbox and Swatches. Today we're going to look at the Koi Watercolor Pocket Field Sketch Box. There's 30 colors in this set. And on the back of the box they have all the colors listed. You could also go to the jerryspanorama.com website to make sure that you know all the different colors that are going to be swatched. In some of our previous ones people have said, hey, you didn't say the name of the color. All that information is available to you on the jerryspanorama.com website and on the box here as well. So you can see that we've got just a little bit of information, your colors listed here. But let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. All right, now right away I'll tell you that this is a really nice, solid feeling, compact box. You have a holder here. I guess you can kind of hold it with your finger through it if you're standing while you're painting, or if you just prefer to hold your palette. Let's take a look inside. Okay. So we have this extra painting space, which is always great, and a space that's at a premium. And then what you do is you put it over here, and then if it's on a table, you have your extra legs here to give you some support. It is at a slight slant, but that doesn't really bother me. The other thing that I just noticed, which is really nice, if you look at the box, you can see that these colors are numbered. So for example, the first one's Chinese white, number 003. And that will correspond directly with the number that is on the pans themselves, which is really great. So you have that resource. Also, another thing with these particular sets that I see people do is they'll cut their paper specifically to fit kind of inside this. Some people prefer to paint that way. Actually, it's funny, you see it right on the box itself, so you can see that they've done that there as well. The Sakura makes a really great water pen, so we'll be using this today for the swatches so we can kind of get a feel for what the painting experience with this set on its own would be like. So it comes in two pieces, and this is really great. So you can, before you leave, fill this with water before you leave for any kind of field sketching, and then you cap it like that, and that will keep the water in there, and it fits nice and compact in this set. And then when you get to your destination, you just take that cap off and you put the top on and you are ready to go. The other thing that these Sakura sets also include are these little sponges here. These are great for blotting your brush, quickly wiping them off in between color changes, all that fun stuff. So without further ado, I'm going to put some of this stuff aside and we are going to swatch out these colors and see how they look. All right, so there you have it. Impressions, overall, I think that this set is a really great little value. You have 30 colors, multiple shades of your primaries, a few secondaries, and nice like grays, blacks, earth tones. And the set is very well built. It feels very sturdy. Now, some things to note. These are not actual half pans. These are probably equivalent in size of half pans, but these are divots in the plastic. So I don't know how easy it would be to replenish this, but I don't believe that that's kind of the point of these sets. I think it's like you kind of go through it and then buy a new one altogether. So just keep that in mind, and you can always, of course, squeeze a tube watercolor into this of your choice if you run out of a certain color. I like how it's compact and how it's designed to break down even further, how I can take this brush and put it in and go. Because it's so complete, I wanted to put together a little travel set for you, and it doesn't have to have much. Just this Koi set right here, the Sakura Koi set, a set of the super black lettering and calligraphy set. These are permanent markers that you can paint watercolor over and they won't bleed, and they're also permanent, that they're light fast. I like this particular set because you got a lot of different line weights that you can create with just 3 pens. And then one of our Reflections Aqua Journals, which are a really nice cold pressed paper. You can take this with you. It fits nicely with this set. There's a pocket in the back for your whatever you might collect on your travels. And just those 3 things, and you can create art easily on the go. So this is the Sakura watercolor field set of 30 colors. I hope that this was helpful for you, and we'll see you on the next Unbox and Swatch.